Welcome back to Product Critique, where we uncover the best products on the market for you. Today, we're diving into the world of backpacks with a fiery twist. Get ready to discover the ultimate fire truck backpack for boys that's lighting up the market. Meet the 17-inch Firefighter School Backpack for Kids by Yatuon. This isn't just any ordinary backpack. It's a firefighter-themed marvel designed to ignite your child's imagination while keeping their belongings safe and secure. Crafted from eco-friendly, waterproof polyester fiber, this backpack is built to withstand whatever adventures come its way. Whether it's a drizzly day or a bustling school hallway, your child's belongings stay dry and protected. Let's talk dimensions. With a size of 13 inches in length, 17 inches in height, and 6 inches in width, this backpack offers ample space for all essentials. Inside, you'll find multiple pockets, perfect for organizing books, pencils, and even a laptop. But wait, there's more. Open side pockets on both sides allow for easy access to water bottles or umbrellas, ensuring your little firefighter stays hydrated on the go. What sets this backpack apart is its versatility. Whether it's a school day, a weekend getaway, or an outdoor adventure, this backpack has your child covered. Its unique firefighter-themed design adds a touch of personality to every outing. And let's talk comfort. Adjustable padded shoulder straps ensure a snug fit for your child, while the padded back adds extra support during long days of exploration. Now, let's address the elephant in the room: durability. With reports of backpacks falling apart after just days of use, we understand the importance of quality. That's why this fire truck backpack is built to last, with reinforced stitching and sturdy materials that can withstand the rigors of childhood adventures. To wrap it up, the 17-inch Firefighter School Backpack for Kids by Yatuon is more than just a backpack. It's a companion for your child's journey through school, play, and beyond. With its spacious design, versatile functionality, and durable construction, it's no wonder why this backpack is blazing a trail as the best fire truck backpack for boys on the market. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more reviews on the hottest products out there. Until next time, happy adventuring!